The side hustle that could make you quit your job by 2026. Imagine waking up without an alarm clock, sipping coffee at your own pace, and opening your laptop to manage a business that practically runs itself. No boss, no traffic, no endless meetings. Just freedom, flexibility, and financial control. Sounds like a dream, right? But for thousands of people, this is quickly becoming a reality, all thanks to one thing: AI-powered side hustles. We're living in a time when artificial intelligence isn't just changing how we work, it's changing who gets to succeed. You no longer need years of experience or a massive budget to start something big. With the right AI tools and smart strategies, you can turn your laptop into a business that earns money while you sleep. And if you play your cards right, this could be the side hustle that makes you quit your job by 2026. Let's break down some of the most realistic AI side hustles you can start right now, from the comfort of your laptop, and how they can help you achieve financial independence by 2026. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Number 1. Selling AI prompts online. This one's exploding in popularity. AI prompts are simply instructions that tell an AI model what to do, but crafting great ones takes skill. A single well-written prompt can generate viral social media posts, detailed blog content, or professional artwork. That's why there's a growing market for high-quality prompts. Websites like PromptBase, Fiverr, and Etsy now have entire marketplaces where people buy and sell prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI tools. You can create packs like 50 ChatGPT prompts for entrepreneurs or Midjourney prompts for fashion design and sell them online. Once uploaded, these prompts become digital assets that can earn passive income, even while you sleep. Some creators are already earning thousands per month doing this. And the best part, you don't need to know how to code. All you need is creativity and an understanding of what people want to use AI for. Number 2. AI content creation for businesses. Every business today needs content: blogs, social media captions, product descriptions, newsletters, and most don't have the time to produce it all. That's where AI comes in. Tools like ChatGPT can generate high-quality writing in minutes, but most companies still need someone to guide the AI, edit the output, and tailor it to their brand voice. That someone could be you. Start offering AI-assisted content writing services, create blog posts, marketing emails, or website copy for small businesses using ChatGPT or Jasper. You can charge $50 to $300 per project depending on complexity. As you build a portfolio, raise your rates or turn your service into a full-blown content agency. The demand for fast, affordable content is skyrocketing, and AI gives you the leverage to meet it. Number 3. AI-powered design and branding. If you've ever wanted to start a design business but lacked artistic skills, AI has completely leveled the playing field. Tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and DALL-E let you create stunning visuals, logos, and brand concepts in minutes. You can design social media templates, website headers, digital art, and print-on-demand designs for clients or online shops. Imagine a small business owner who needs a logo and brand kit but doesn't want to pay $1,000 to a traditional designer. You can create multiple logo options using AI tools, refine them in Canva, and deliver professional results, all in under an hour. This kind of speed and affordability makes AI design services incredibly competitive. Once you gain momentum, you can launch your own design studio, sell digital templates on Etsy, or even start a print-on-demand store with your AI-created artwork. Number 4. AI video script writing and YouTube automation. Video content is exploding across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. However, most creators struggle with script writing, voiceovers, and editing. And that's exactly where AI comes in. You can use ChatGPT to generate video scripts, Synthesia for AI-generated avatars, and tools like Pictory or Runway ML to create full videos without needing a camera or expensive equipment. This model, known as faceless YouTube automation, is already making people thousands of dollars per month through ad revenue and affiliate marketing, All you need to do is pick a niche, create consistent content, and let AI handle most of the production. Imagine building multiple YouTube channels that generate passive income while you focus on scaling the next one. By 2026, a single successful channel could replace your 9-to-5 salary entirely. Number 5. Building AI-powered digital products. Digital products have always been one of the best ways to earn passive income, and with AI, they're easier to create than ever. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, or chatbots that solve specific problems. You can use AI tools to write, design, and automate the entire process. For instance, create an AI-powered productivity planner that generates personalized schedules for users, or build an ebook with ChatGPT about mastering time management, complete with Mid-Journey generated visuals. Once created, you can sell these products on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. The beauty of digital products is that they scale infinitely. You make it once, and it sells forever. Combine this with good marketing, and you could easily build a full-time income stream by 2026. Number 6. AI consulting and training. Businesses are adopting AI but often don't know where to start. If you've spent time exploring tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, or automation platforms like Zapier, you're already ahead of the curve. You can offer AI consulting services, helping companies integrate AI into their workflow. Teach them how to automate emails, summarize reports, or generate leads with AI tools. As more businesses look for AI integration, this skill becomes incredibly valuable. Even a few consulting clients can generate a substantial income. You could also create online courses or workshops teaching others how to use AI effectively, combining education and entrepreneurship into one scalable business. Number 7. Freelancing with AI tools. If you're already freelancing, as a writer, marketer, or designer, integrating AI can instantly multiply your income. You'll deliver projects faster, take on more clients, and maintain higher quality. For example, a freelance copywriter can use ChatGPT to generate drafts in minutes, then polish them manually. A designer can use Mid-Journey for concept art, speeding up delivery times. By positioning yourself as an AI-enhanced freelancer, you can stand out in a crowded market and attract clients who value innovation. Number 8. AI automation for small businesses. Every small business owner dreams of saving time. That's why offering AI automation services is such a hot opportunity. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, and Make to build custom workflows, automating repetitive tasks like customer follow-ups, report generation, or data entry. Businesses will gladly pay for systems that save them hours every week. You don't need to be a coder to do this. Most of these tools work with drag-and-drop interfaces. You can charge per project or on a monthly retainer, helping businesses automate and scale effortlessly. The road to quitting your job by 2026. The reason AI side hustles are so powerful is that they combine scalability with accessibility. You can start with zero investment, test different ideas, and grow at your own pace. The key is consistency, creating, experimenting, and improving as you go. Don't aim to make a fortune overnight. Instead, focus on building systems that earn small, consistent income every day. Over time, those small wins compound into a sustainable business. By 2026, the people who succeed won't be the ones who worked the hardest. They'll be the ones who worked the smartest with AI. So if you've ever dreamed of quitting your job, traveling the world, or working on your own terms, now's your moment. AI is your gateway to that freedom. Start today. Pick one idea, explore the tools, and build something that excites you. The future isn't waiting for anyone, but those who act now will be the ones living their dream life in 2026. So open your laptop, take that first step, and watch your side hustle become your main hustle. Because with AI by your side, financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a deadline. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like these, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.